Let's learn the ABCs. A. A is for apple. B. B is for ball. C. C is for cat. D. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for flower. G. G is for glasses. H. H is for hand. I. I is for igloo. J. J is for juice. K. K is for key. L. L is for leaf. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nest. O. O is for orange. P. P is for pig. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rainbow. S. S is for spoon. T. T is for tiger. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for violin. W. W is for watch. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Z. Z is for zebra.